There often comes a profound moment of deep inner silence, a tranquil stillness that settles within. Of stillness. When the truly annoying and persistent little thoughts, jumping around like bothersome fleas, finally begin to quiet down and settle. Suddenly, consciousness rises above the surrounding world. Anxiety and fear fade away. It is very important to become aware of your feelings. At this moment, we are naturally drawn to that profound realm of the subtle, unseen world to which we are deeply attuned and connected. This state cannot be confused with anything else. It is a profound state of complete inner comfort, deep tranquility, and pure bliss. It truly feels as if an abundance of love is literally pouring out of you, extending into the entire world that surrounds you. And the more profound and unconditional love you generously give to others, the more abundant and divine grace you will truly experience in your life. You absolutely need to deeply imprint this profound and transformative state into every single cell of your entire body, permeating through every delicate nerve ending and truly integrated within your very being. The essential task at hand is to diligently learn from our deep memory precisely how to effectively enter this specific state again and again, striving to achieve this remarkable feat consistently every single day. In fact, that's the whole secret. You often find yourself in a truly disharmonious environment, perhaps on the bustling street or within your demanding workplace, but you consciously try to deeply recall this profound state of grace and inner bliss. You deliberately and consciously keep your awareness at the very highest level available to you at all times, ensuring a profound and continuous state of elevated consciousness. The significant difficulty here is that you absolutely cannot skip a single day, even just a mere few minutes each day, but ideally a dedicated 2 to 3 hours per day is truly essential. You need to experience these elevated states of consciousness. Remember how you truly feel after a good and meaningful prayer, after a profound dictation, after spending a long and peaceful time in nature, or after listening to beautiful classical music, and then recreate that serene state again and again,